Hello, good evening, everyone. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Magandang gabi, bayan. Wait kasi napaka-ano natin. Ooh, we are so bright. A bright, a bright star. Oh, anong nangyari dun? And good evening, everyone, and welcome to our live stream here in our Facebook Live. Aha, anuhin lang natin. Good evening. Okay. There you go. There you go, Sigo. Tune. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to our live stream here in our YouTube channel. And I hope that you can actually hear me clearly. Medyo, I don't know what's wrong with our webcam, but I feel like I'm too bright. Let's edit our filter. Yan. Okay. Close. Teka ha. Wait a minute. Kaping mainits. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to our live stream here in our YouTube channel. Oh, sorry about that. So sorry about that. Good evening. Welcome. Hey, teka ha. Is it? Hmm. Good evening. Ayan. Good evening po sa lahat. At tayo na nga ay live tonight. We are live here in our YouTube channel. This is an online tutorial for maths and science. So if you have any questions, you may drop by our good evening. Thank you for 5 viewers tonight. Salamat po. Teka po ha. Good evening, everyone and all. Thank you. Thank you for our viewers tonight. Hindi ko panalo yung buhok ko. Good evening, everyone. Hi, thank you for our 3 viewers tonight. Ayan po. All right, so we will be Teka po ha. Yan. So we will be discussing about the inconvenience. The inconvenience talaga. Thank you for our 3 viewers tonight. We will be discussing on the why is my hair like this? Should we discuss about it? Why my hair is not in place? Why my hair is not in place? All right. So, I think, yun, hindi ko pa na-erase. Hindi ko pa yan na-erase. This was from last week's balancing equation. So, we will be discussing about differentiation tonight. If you have any specific question that you would like to ask, you may do so. Habang wala pang nagtatanong. Ayan. Intay-intayin na lang natin muna. Okay. So, we will start discussing. So, we have our topic will be on differentiation. And this will be the introduction so far. When we talk about differentiation, there's actually a lot to discuss about differentiation, but we will only focus on the introductory part of a differentiation tonight. Okay? I feel like napaka aray ko. Ano bang nangyayari sa atin tonight? Wait, there you go. Okay, so when we talk about differentiation, this actually is being applied on when we are talking about finding the gradient of your curve. So how do you find the gradient of your curve when you cannot actually draw a straight line, right? But we all know that a curve is made up of so many straight lines, actually. And ideally, when we want an expression in terms of x that gives us the gradient of any value of your x, then we are talking about the gradient function. So how do we find the gradient of a curve that is making a small tangent lines in between? So for us to be able to do this, then we actually solve or we differentiate them. Okay, so to find the gradient of a particular x, but it's not a straight line, then we do small changes, which is your differentiation. So it's actually small changes. So as you go, like for example, your curve here, as you go closer to a certain point, let's say the red dot, as this point goes closer to your red dot, you will have a straight line, right? It touches only on your, so that means that we are trying to find the limit of this curve as it approaches a certain value of our x. Okay, so that is how you solve for your gradient of your curve. Okay, cool. Right, let me just move this out. I do not know why, but I feel like is it, I feel like there's something wrong with the color of my, yeah, something is wrong with the color of the, Anyway, ang dami kong satsat. Okay. So let's find the gradient. So when we find the gradient of a function, or we're finding the derivative of our function, then we have to write it as y. Let's say this is your curve. So when you find the derivative, then you can write it as the derivative of, or that's dy over dx. The reason why this is dy over dx, because the slope, or m, or our slope is actually the change of your y over the change of your x. Hence, the gradient of your curve is, or the derivative is actually dy over dx. Okay, kulay. Sorry. Okay. So how do we find the differentiation or the gradient of our curve? So the general form would be, this is as the limit as your h approaches 0, your f of x plus h minus f of x over h. So this is your limit. So the gradient function can be used to find the gradient of the curve for any value of x. So that is the derivative. All right. Okay. So how do we solve? How do we find the? How do we find the derivative of our gradient? So simply, if we have this, okay, let's show chill ang tayo dito. So let's say, for example, you have x fourth minus x fourth, okay? So this is your function, x fourth. So that's the given function. So if you're finding the derivative as your, hello, good evening, Maha Blanca. So as limit approaches h to 0, this will be f of x plus h minus f of x over h. So the first one will be x plus h. So that will be x fourth plus h. All right, to the power of 4 minus, not x fourth, to the power of 4 minus x fourth. So, and then this is over h. So when you simply, wow, new react. What do you mean by new react? Maha, what is new react? What do we mean by new react? What do you mean by new react? What is new react? Wait a minute. I'm actually sleepy. Okay. Let me know what is new react. So this one, you have to have x plus h. You need to substitute your x with this one. So that's to the power of 4 minus x squared over h. So if you expand this will be 4x So when you expand this, this is x fourth plus 4 x cube h plus 6 x squared h squared plus 4x h cube plus h cube fourth minus x fourth over h. So then this will cancel out. I know this. Yes. Yes. Not that one. So that will cancel out. So you will have 4x um, cube h, 6x squared h squared, 4x h cube, and this one. So then you will only have because you have to cancel one of the h's, so you have 4x cube plus 6x squared h plus 4x h squared plus h squared. And since h is approaching 0, it becomes 0. So the whole thing will be 0. There is only one left, 4x cubed. That is the reason why when you derive this, the simplest way to do it is bring down 4. Can you see the react? Wait, I have to open my phone. Oh, yeah. I see. Who's the other one who is reacting? It's me. It's me. It's me. I tried it. Yeah, there is a reaction. Okay. No, ganina. I don't know. I don't know. I just tried. I just tried before ni check ka. I don't know. I seriously don't know. Thank you for the react. Cool. Thank you for our 6 viewers tonight. Salamat, salamat, salamat. Okay, so we will, before can you check? Okay. All right. Okay, so we will be making some examples for differentiation. Sorry. Thank you for our 7 viewers tonight. Good evening. Good evening, Amber. Oh my gulay. Okay. All right. So let's say, for example, you have y equals x to the power of 5, or if you have y equals x to the power of 1/2. So when we miss you, Cornell, where are you? We miss you. Kung makakabasa ka nito, Colonel. I don't know where Colonel is. Probably she's busy. Please don't mind the background sound that you would hear from my end because I am staying near a mosque, so it's prayer time, so you could hear them praying from the background. All right, so if you have this and you are trying to find this, thank you for our 7 viewers tonight. Really appreciate it. So if you are looking for the value or the derivative of this, there is a mosque at the background. I can hear. So that's a dy over dx. So then what you do is you just need to bring down 5. So that will be a 5x. And then you subtract 1 with your exponent. So your y derivative or dy over dx would be 5x to the power of 4. Can you hear the background? There, it's prayer time 7:24. Anyway, so if you have the fraction 1/2, so if you are to ask to find the function, the prayer, no, okay, then I think it's just me. I'm trying to denoise, meaning cancel the back only the little music. Yeah, I'm trying to denoise, meaning to cancel the background music. Ooh, wait up. Only the little music. All right. So if you have 1/2, all you need to do is bring this down. That will be 1/2 x 1/2 and then minus 1. So then you will have 1/2 x minus to the power of negative 1/2. So the power need not be an integer. It is okay if it's not an integer. So that means that that's the f complement or the derivative of. So let's say, for example, you have other given such as, let's say you have y equals a 2x. Yeah. So let's say this is a function of x. So when you derive this will be, you bring down 6, that's 6 times 2, x is 6 minus 1, so that's 12x to the power of 5. All right, so that is how you derive functions. Now, what if you have a function wherein the power or the x is in your denominator? How do you solve when the power is or the x is in your denominator? So for example, if you have let's say let's say for example you have 1 over x to the power of 4. So if you have this kind of question, this will be dy over dx. You have to bring your x to the power of 4 as a numerator. So what would happen to your power? It would become negative. So this will be x to the power of negative 4. Then you will have a dy dx, bring down negative 4. This will be negative 4x, negative 4, and then minus 1. So that's negative 4x minus 5. So since it's a negative, you just need to place it back as a denominator. So that's negative 4 over x to the power of 5. So it will be over and then x to the power. Right. Oh my. Cool. Thank you so much for those who are dropping by. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, put a thumbs up, and subscribe. Only the little music. Okay, so let's try a few more examples and you try it on your own. Okay, I'll give you time to practice it and then you try it on your own. So let's say you have y equals x to the power of 7. You have y equals 3x to the power of 10. And then you have what else? Yeah, only those value. I can give you as well. Let's say y equals the square root of 49x to the power of 7. Try to answer. Let me know. I'm sleepy with my I'm sleepy with my own music. Okay, you try. I'll give you 2 minutes to try it out. 7. Yes, that's right. So this will be, yes, that's correct. So dy over dx will be 7x to the power of 6. This will be, yes, dy over dx will be 10, 30, 30x to the power of 9. How about the last one? This will be, you can actually simplify this. This will be 7x to the power of 7 over 2. Wait, I'll try. Okay. Yep. It becomes why, because of the square root. Because of the square root. Because of the square root. Yeah, try it. No, because the square root of 49 is 7. So I took it out. I took it out because supposedly that is 49x to the power of 7, 1 half. But since 49 is a perfect square, then you can take it out. So then that will be 7 over 2 times 7x, 7 over 2 minus 1. So then that will be 49 over 2. And then x will be 7, that is 2. So minus 2, 5 over 2. That's the answer. Yep. Correct. 49 over, not 6, 7, 5. Because that's 7 over 2 minus 1. So that will be 7 over 2 minus 2 over 2. So 5 over 2. Yeah. Cool. Yes, yes, yes. All right. So that will be I forgot. Yes. So that will be all for differentiation for today, unless you have any question. Question. Then we can have at least 1 or 2 games. So if you have yes, we can play 2x squared minus 3x. So when you do dy over dx, you have to treat this as separate one. So that's 4x minus 3. We have a new lesson. Oh, what's your new lesson? Thank you for our 6 viewers tonight. Okay, let's play. Let's play. That is all our lesson. Higher order derivatives. Oh, okay. I think. Okay. If it's higher order derivatives, then you just need to derive it from the second to the third and to the fourth and so on and so forth. Yeah, just derive it to the second and to the third. That's higher order derivative. There are several rules. Kapsabot ko ba daghan? Oh, okay. There are several rules for derivatives, so you just need to apply all those rules, and then that will be okay. Cool. All right, so let us play a game before an antiderivative. Yes, antiderivative is just the opposite. Probably we'll have like 2 games only, and then we will end our live. So you choose which game you would like to play. Quick Flash, TKO, or Murder Party, or Espionage. Which one? I'm constantly yawning. Espionage. Remember the game where you're given a question like how many boys like basketball, and then 75% you choose, and then everyone would say whether it's higher or lower than the guessed percentage. Yep. That's the game. That's the game. Quick Flash. Okay. Quick Flash. All right. Wait, I just need to tie my hair because it's a very hot. Quick Flash. Let's go, Quick Flash. Wait. Quick Flash, right? This is taking a while. Please check your internet. Seriously. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. My thank you for 7 viewers tonight. Parang kailan lang. My rocking hair. Thank you for 7 viewers tonight. Thank you so much. Let's go. It's just me. Boom, panis. Miku. Who's Miku? Excuse me. For a while. While you're still entering, let me.
Welcome to Quiplash. I'm Schmitty, as if you didn't recognize me. Okay, fair warning. I reserve the right to repurpose your quips for my improv set later on tonight. This is round one. Two prompts will appear on your device, which you can answer in any clever or not clever way you want. Everyone will choose between your answer and someone else's and decide who wins. You'll score points based on the percentage of people who prefer your answer. Have at it.
Thank you for 7 viewers tonight. Let's go. No
Let's
sound.
see those quips. First up, a great way to save electricity is to blank.
Not take back.
Okay,
Switch
everybody,
off
pick
the
your
main
favorite.
switch. Wow. Switch off the main switch. Cool. cool. Yes, why?
And next is, it would be awesome if you could grow blank in a garden. Vote away.
Money, money. Why did you ask mga blanco? Yum, 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 yum.
Next on the list, a great name for a meteorologist.
My neck is painful.
Get to voting.
Meteor strike. Meteor strike. I don't know. Maybe.
Next on deck, the worst thing to admit during a sleepover. Ready, set,
I don't
vote.
have spare change. I don't have spare change. Meteor. Oh, someone did not vote.
Round one's done. Let's see who's in the lead. Round two is straight ahead, and that means all points are doubled.
Mm-hmm.
Cool, let's see what's what. Prompt number one is Frankenstein's middle school nickname. Okay, voting time. Pick your favorite.
Frankincense. Frankincense, frankly, the kind of answers of it.
Next up,
Okay.
a great use for a dirty diaper.
Recycle it
Vote
to
now.
Maya. A great use for a dirty body smell. What kind of recycle it to Maya? Recycle it to Maya. Boom. Who's boom? Who's boom?
Up
Luuyang
next,
Maya. Oy.
what the California raisins do for work now.
Racing
on your
themselves.
devices.
Racing themselves. Nice. Tarat, tarat. Who is boom? Tarat, tarat. Boom, tarat, tarats.
Next one, the worst place to put potato salad. Put in your votes.
Get it? A boat. Someone still explained it. Someone explained it. You get it? Let's
Round
see.
two is over. Let's see who came out on top.
3. Let's go.
This is round 3, the last lash. Everyone's taking aim at the same prompt this time.
Oh, acrolash.
Make up the full name for this acronym.
SKE.
Time to take a look.
Right.
In the final round, you can give out 1 gold and 1 silver medal to your top 2 quips. Make them count.
What kind of answers are these?
Brace yourselves, here come those medals. Show me the silver. And finally, gold. Now we transform those medals into points. It's over. Let's see the final scores.
Ta-da! Wow! We have 2 winners. Wow! Congratulations! 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 Congratulations, everyone! And that is the end of our live stream for tonight. Congratulations to our 2 winners. We have 2 winners tonight. Congratulations, everyone. I'll see you then next week at the same time, 7 p.m. Tuesday, with another online tutorial and fun games. This is your Teacher Maria, saying good night, God bless, see you next week, and don't forget to like and share and subscribe to our channel here in YouTube and as well in Facebook. Good night, God bless po sa lahat. Good night.